What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Shaka. You already know what it is. Back at it with another video. So, in this video, I am creating my first header for a single cam. Up a couple of parts. I don't know what video I mentioned that we went out and got a couple of parts for shot and gun, and I bought a whole bunch of shit that I didn't really need at the time being. Yeah, so I bought a turbo manifold, and I ended up buying a regular single cam manifold for the simple fact that it was a spoon manifold. I don't know if you can see that. Try to block that a little bit from the light. There you go. You know what I'm saying? Spoon. So I'm test fitting it right now. I already did the welding at my job halfway because I needed to bring it to a actual single cam motor and see how it would line up. So far, so good. So what I'm doing is a 3Y or a tri-Y, you know, for her 3Y connection. Literally, you already know how most single cam well, that's a stock header, obviously, but you know how most single cam headers right here look like this, right? It goes 1 and 4 back there to this side, and then 2 and 3 that are in the middle go to that side, and then it's down to a 2 pipe, and then down, and then it connects to a Y. So what I basically did was I ended up finding this pipe, and I ended up cutting the flange off from right here, and I welded this pipe that had another Y, basically another Y like this down here, but like it was like from right here basically down to here, and then it bends down into like this curve. But I mean, it's honestly, I'm gonna show you, it's kind of like down here not here. That's why I brought it home, so I can see what I need to cut. But I just ended up welding this end basically to that, and we got what we got right inside of here. I don't know if y'all can see that down there. Ah, there you go. A little bit more focus. I had a weld over here because there was a slight crack there, but yeah, that's the tri-Y. I know you can't really see it because this doesn't want to focus, but when I pull it back out, I'll show you. But like I said, it sticks down way too far. This is the the front frame of the bumper, or the front radiator support, and that is like sticking down pretty darn far. But I knew it was going to, so that's why I'm here right now, trying to my bad. So that's why I'm here right now, trying to figure out how can I get this to sit how it's supposed to. You know what I'm saying? There you go. You can kind of see it a little better. But yeah, I need to cut down a lot of this because that's, yeah, too far away from the motor. It's going to be hanging towards the floor, which that's why I brought it home, so I can do this. So I'm going to go measure that out, and I'll be back. All right, and we're back. Well, back in the shop, I should say. Oh yeah, I haven't showed these guys this. This is where I'm working at right about now. You guys know, if you're from the Lehigh Valley, you already know. Shout out to Ricardo, Ricky JDM Toys. This is, you know, his lovely shop right here. I was grateful enough that, you know, he gave me this opportunity to work here. So, for myself, obviously, but still, working out of here. Know something. We'll get into that another damn time. But right now, I want to show you guys the header, since it's all out. So now that way you guys can see it. Yeah, it's not the greatest, but it's pretty dope, I say. I think it is, at least. From this tube up here, this is a 1 3/4 inches, going down to, I want to say about a 2. These right here are about a 2, yeah, to a 2.5 inch outlet. But right now, as you can see, I got all these lines marked up on the side over here. It's because I have to cut it from, I need to cut all of this out, this section right here, because it's too damn long, and bring this section up here, and then turn the pipe just that one line over. So you can see this line, when I cut it, it's going to be split. Move this line over there, so then that way this angle is actually straight to where it's supposed to be, and that should be good. But I'm just gonna tack weld that, then take it home, see how it is. Oh yeah. Then I'll show you guys what's up. But right now, I got another mess of exhaust that I gotta do. Yeah, I know it's kind of late already. I had to do a job that took a while. Anyways, got the exhaust all welded up finally. I was cleaning my welds up because I didn't like how they looked. Try to shave it down as best as I could. For right now, I'm gonna end up painting the whole thing black anyways, and then wrapping it, so it's not like it's really gonna matter. Yeah, my camera's a little dirty. Hold up. Hopefully that's a little better. But anyways, yeah, so here it is. Let me just show you guys what the manifold looks like. Clean. I had to, you guys already seen the welds that were here and here. Like, side of here, I really can't get those two welds. And this side was like really bubbly. But like I said, I don't really care about that. I did clean the hell out of the weld that made this shorter. So that way it looks like it was originally supposed to be like that. I'm kind of excited how it came out, to be honest. We got a tree wide to a 2.5. Like, get around these poles. Look at that. Tree Y to that 2.5. Oh yeah. I cannot wait to get a sound test on this. So yeah. I don't know when I'm gonna get a sound test because this is going on Beastie, and Beastie is not moving anytime soon. So this might be for a while, but just a little sneak peek on what I got for her. Yeah, so we will have some content coming. Some content coming soon enough on Shotgun and White Girl. We're trying to go to the junkyard tomorrow, so y'all end up seeing that. But as always, y'all already know. Y'all take it easy, stay blessed. You know, y'all already know the rest, man. I ain't gotta say nothing else. So definitely smash that like button. You know, that's the first custom Skunk 2 Tri-Y exhaust that I have seen that goes to a 2.5. I didn't see any other single cam exhaust like that. So that's going to be real nice. I can't wait to put that on. So definitely smash that like button. Y'all already know. Throw a comment below if you want to. And definitely subscribe to the channel, man. Support. But anyways, man, I'm going to get out of here. It's already late. I don't know what time is it, but I've been wasting hell of time today. I'm just glad I finally got that all situated and looking all somewhat pretty. I'm just glad I got it welded because I wanted to do this for so long and I haven't done it. And I was like, you know what? Today's going to be the day I do it. So we got that all set up. You already know. As always, peace, love, and engine grease. Later. Bonus clip back at the backyard garage. You already know. Home base, I should say. Home base. We back at home base. Got the header sitting in there all nicey. This is White Girl, obviously. Purple hoses, if y'all know. But yeah, I'm just test fitting to see how it fits. So far, so good up there. But it was already good. And so far, so good. Because last time, I was seeing the pipe like hang down this way. Right now, seems like the pipe is exactly where it's supposed to be. Son. Oh, I'm gonna have to cut it and turn it just slightly over so that way this doesn't actually hit that, but I don't think it will. But I don't know. Hold on, let me show you. All right, there you go. Now you can see the clearance space that I actually have there. I mean, it's clear. It's going straight back. So I'm actually happy on the results of the weld and all that. I'm doing it outside of the car. Look how well that the spacing is from the motor. Oh yeah. All right. Well, that's the end of the bonus clip.